Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix sponsor request limit reached on Cash App. So there are a few methods how to fix this problem. You can try them and they might help you. First of all, you can have parent or guardian as a sponsor or wait until you will reach 18, guys. So this is the first thing you can do. Also, there's another thing you can do to solve this problem is that you can wait a few days, for example, a week, and resend a request. So this might help you. Also, we have got another way how to deal with this problem. You can delete your current account. You can create a new one with the same mobile number if you don't have enough time to wait. And last thing you can do is transfer ownership, but you should remember that last sponsor can close your account or send money directly. So these are the 4 different methods what you can do to solve sponsor request limit problem. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.